So here we have our Barbie cake, and we've started to just crumb coat it with the hot pink buttercream and cut out our little flowers out of fondant. We'll just attach them with some sugar glue, just a couple of flowers right on her bodice there, which we've also made out of fondant. Now we've fully crumb coated in our beautiful pink buttercream, and we start piping from the bottom, working our way upwards, and we're using our Wilton 1M tip, doing all different size swirls. So we like a combination of some small ones, some much larger ones, some with a little tail hanging off. Makes it a little bit more interesting. Just make sure when you are piping them on that you do press fairly securely with the piping tip to just adhere that buttercream swirl onto the crumb coat. Keep going all the way around, making sure you fill in all the gaps until you've done all of the beautiful Barbie dress. And here she is, all finished and dressed. And we've also just added a beautiful little ribbon to her hair as well, and another little fondant flower. Here we are with our 3 colours that we've used for our Barbie cake. We've got our Colour Mill Hot Pink, we've got our Pro Gel Pink, and we've got Vivid Deep Pink. Unfortunately, to get that beautiful deep pink that we have used, you need all 3 colours. One on its own will not get the same depth. Our piping tip we've used is the gorgeous 1M by Wilton. Classic tip. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.